Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video I am so duper excited because we have a brand new Phoenix glitter collection, and super duper exciting, we have a no wipe top coat, a matte top coat, and our very own foil gel, and I'm going to be swatching I'm going to be swatching them and showing you exactly how to use them. So I've also got two new releases as well. So we've got Merman and Rainbow Sparkle. Merman is the brother, or the husband I guess you could call it, the twin to the mermaid glitter, which is a really stunning glitter. And then I also ordered Amber as well because it's a gorgeous glitter, and I just needed to have it because you can never have enough glitter. So like I said, we have three new gels. We have the no wipe top coat and the matte top coat. Now these have all of the ingredients and everything on the back. They are compliant with the regulations. They've had all the testing done, and SDS sheets are available. I'm not entirely sure off the top of my head if they are on the website, but if you message Phoenix Glitter, or if you know Rach, then you can message Rach and she will be able to supply them to you. So I'm really excited by these. It is absolutely so super shiny. Their top coat and their matte top coat is dreamy. It's like the best velvet matte top coat you could have. And then obviously we have the foil gel. So I will show you how you can get full coverage foils using the products. So I'm just kind of gonna get in and show you exactly what these beauties look like. So the first collection that I'm going to be showing you is called the Candy collection. Now this is 6 glitters, 3 of which are your really fine glitters, which if you know me and my channel, you'll know that I love my fine glitters and being able to use them for sugaring and everything else. We then also have another one that is slightly chunkier, and again I will do the swatches for you so you can see, equally as gorgeous. And then we have 2 chunky shaped glitters, which are absolutely gorgeous as well. You can just see them in the pot, like the iridescentness of them is dreamy. I'm not going to do too much talking for the Candy collection. I'm just going to let you see the gorgeous swatches. I'll be back when I show you how you can use the 2 new fine glitters, and then I will show you as well how to do the foil gel. Enjoy! Okay, so first up is Rainbow Sparkle. Hopefully you can see in the lid actually the different colours in the glitter. This is perfect for sugaring, doing sugar designs and having that little extra something there. I'm going to show you what it looks like burnished as well as sugared. And then, like I said, this is Merman, so the husband, twin, whatever you want to call it, to the mermaid glitter. I'm going to take an old fluffy eyeshadow brush, just to burnish the glitter, and this is how I prefer to do it. Everyone has their own ways, but I'm going to pick up some of the glitter on my brush, and then over the tacky gel polish layer I'm just going to press it in and give it a good old rub. Then for sugaring, I'm going to pop some of the no wipe top coat down on the other half of the swatch stick, and I'm just doing them on one so you can see the comparison. I'm not going to cure it, and then I'm going to pick up my glitter and sprinkle it over, tap off the excess, and then I'm going to cure this in my lamp, and you can already see the difference in the style. Then for the mermaid glitter, I'm going to do exactly the same, and you can see that this has this gorgeous golden look over the black. This will look different over every colour gel polish. It's really, really pretty. I'm then going to do exactly the same thing with my no wipe top coat over the bottom half of the nail and sprinkling it on. Like I said, they have two different effects and they are absolutely gorgeous. I have no wipe top coated the top half after I burnished it, just to kind of lock all that glitter in and you can see the shine. Now what I've done is I've got a yellow base on my swatch stick and I'm going in with the foil gel, and I'm going to go in with a reasonable amount. You don't want too much because obviously this can prevent the foil sticking. I like to put a reasonable amount on have it on my brush, put it on the nail, and then I remove any excess and I drag it through so we have a nice even layer all over the nail. The product is evenly distributed, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Now I'm using Phoenix foils. I will put my discount code somewhere so you can check it out. Rach very kindly sent me loads just before Christmas, and I absolutely love the ones that have the transparent background, purely because you can lay them over gel polish designs or acrylic and have a completely different look. So I'm cutting off a reasonable size because this is a stiletto swatch stick. You want to have plenty of foil. Then I'm just evenly pressing on, trying to make sure there's no creases, and I'm going to give it a really, really good old rub with my thumb. You can peel it away slightly and see if it's transferring. If not, push it back down and give it a good rub. You could also use a silicone tool, and I like to do a mix between my finger and a silicone tool. I always find that one works slightly better. And then if you peel it off, you have this gorgeous, gorgeous foil and on this nail, which is going to be really cute for summer, I think. So I'm going to go in with a matte top coat just so you can see how matte it is. And you can see that there is a slight sheen on there currently. And I'm just going to drag it through and put a nice even layer over the tip, making sure to get all of those edges so we're not going to have any little shiny bits poking about. And then I'm going to cure this in my lamp as well. So this is what it would look like shining. And here you have the shiny top coat and the matte next to each other, so you can see just how pretty and glossy that is, but also how matte it is. And then these are all the glitters. So I really hope you guys have liked this week's video. It's a really, really quick one, but it was a great way to show you the new glitters as well as the new top coat. So please do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.